Hello everyone, it's VladsBoredom and welcome to my latest video. Guys, I've been looking so much forward for this video. I'm going to do a snack and candy challenge of Portuguese stuff. And before I want to start this video was being sponsored by my executive producer Didrik. Thank you very much for doing this, Didrik. Without you, this video would have not been possible. And if you want to become just like him, an executive producer, check out the first link in the description down below. It will lead you to my Patreon page. Just before I'm starting, if you're wondering why I'm here, well, the room has terrible illumination and the bathroom is the best one, and here the illumination is pretty okay, while in the main room, not really, isn't it? Anyway, forget about this, ignore that I'm here next to a toilet bowl. It's all clean here, don't worry, all good. I'm not going to disrespect anything what's going on here, so please forgive me for that. Anyway, the first thing what I'm going to try here is batata palha. Some kind of chips looking like sticks. They have like some kind of a flaky texture. Man, I think this is going to be delicious. Oh boy, they're so oily, but they taste so good. Man, that's so good. But it looks like tiny spaghettis. It's really cool. Like I enjoy this taste of savory stuff, especially something like this. Finding proper chips made in Portugal from a local brand is pretty hard, and I mean, this is the only thing what I found. So for that, 10 out of 10, no question. Now, because Portugal is very well known for sweet stuff and not for savory stuff, I'm going to kick off with some pastry. And I think if you're Portuguese, you're already going to know it. Pastel de nata. And those little thingies here, they're very cheap. You can find them basically everywhere, and I really want to try them out because like many of them they taste differently, but I think this one, well, it already smells so good. Let's kick it off. Man, it does so delicious. I could drown in them because they're just so delicious with the creamy filling. I don't know what this is, custard or maybe vanilla cream. I don't know, but it tastes very similar to vanilla, something what has a vanilla cream inside, so that's really, really good. 20 out of 10. No, 100 out of 10. Amazing stuff. Speaking of vanilla cream, I got those over here. Chipicao mini croissant. Creme de sabor a baunilha. Vanilla croissants. They remind me of the little ones which you can get from 7 Days, like the 7 Days mini croissants. And I hope that they taste very similar or maybe even better. All right. Dang it, they're really good. For that, they're made from PepsiCo. Definitely worth the money. Like, I mean, they are not that expensive, but they're so delicious. I mean, normally when I think of this will be like maybe above 2 euros, but like for maybe 70 cents, no problem. Definitely a big pass. 10 out of 10. Because I enjoy eating cookies, I cannot make a video without having cookies. Ladies and gentlemen, tarteletas. Packaging is a bit weird. That's the way how they look like. Some little cookies with chocolate filling. See how they are. Kinda okay, I guess. They're not too bad. Actually, they're pretty good. 8 out of 10. They're not perfect, but they're for that, what you pay for them, decent. Not half as decent, but fully decent, and for that price, go for them. 8 out of 10. Finding chocolate here in Portugal, which is made in Portugal, is very hard, but one thing stood out, and it was this. Some kind of Smarties, or Smarties looking things. Pintarolas. Yeah. Pastilhas de chocolate de leite. Milk chocolate beans. So basically a different word for Smarties. Like there are 3 of those rolls inside, and I'm going to get one of those. Open it up. It's just so random that they came out in pink and in red, but no problem. I'm going to try them out. Oh yeah. So much Smarties. I cannot remember the last time when I had Smarties, but it's been a long while, and I mean, those ones are definitely worth it. Like, if you want a cheaper alternative compared to Smarties, 10 out of 10. Like seriously, 10 out of 10 for those. They're amazing. Like, very much the same, but they're a bit different. I don't know what different is, but I believe the only different thing is that they're original Portuguese stuff. After eating so many things, I want to drink something, and one thing is over here. It's a juice. Bongo. 8 fruits, 80% fruit, and 20% water. So compared to the video which I made about Estonian snack and candy, which you can check out in the top right corner, I have to point out that there I had a juice which had the exact opposite, like 80% water and 20% fruit. So I think that my expectations for this one is quite high. Yeah, let's see if it will disappoint me or will it make me happy. I already feel the difference. A lot of fruit here and not that much watered down. Man, for a fruit juice, 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10, I mean, you cannot make anything wrong with it, can you? No, like this design, well, really nice for kids, no problem. And here it says also without added sugar, so that's really cool. Like, I don't know what kind of fruit there are, but like, it's a multivitamin fruit juice, so that's pretty nice. Now I'm going to try a classical, something what's totally well known in Portugal and even sold in Switzerland, because in Switzerland we got lots of Portuguese people who live there, and it is a very famous fruit juice as well, and it is called Sumol. And this is with orange flavor, laranja. Yeah, I'm so curious. I always wanted to try it out, but I waited all the way until the moment when I went to Portugal so that I can try it out there, because you should try the stuff out at the place where you're being made. It's so local, everyone knows it, so... Oh yeah, baby. Sparkling. Smells already good. Cheers, guys. Tastes a bit different from what I normally know. It's not like Fanta, definitely not. It's a lot softer. It's quite okay. And not aggressively carbonated. It's refreshing. It's totally refreshing. and I also like the taste of the orange. So for me, it will get like 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 sounds really good. Now after having so many things, I want to clean up my nose and maybe my teeth, so I'm going to get some hard candy from Dr. Vincic. Peitoral, Lithena e proteja a sua casgante anti-male. Like, what is it inside? It's like cough drops. I'm not ill, but these sound pretty nice. But I must say, mints are always good, like after having a lot of food, and I think this is now a good opportunity. That's the way how it looks like. We'll see how it will taste like. It has a very similar taste to Negro, not gonna lie. Negro is like... Wow. Yeah, very much like Negro, but it tastes equally good. So from my side, 10 out of 10. That's it. Like, I mean, I have nothing much to say. It tastes really good. Anyway, guys, so I think that was it from my side. I hope that you really enjoyed the video. Leave me a thumb up if you came until this point so far. Also, write a comment down for some feedback, as feedback is always good. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon in order not to miss any of my future videos. Stay tuned, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye. Wait, actually there has been something what I forgot, and it is like a yogurt drink, and I know it's not an original Portuguese product. It is from Danone. It's Activia, and it is kind of, well, some kind of yogurt drink. And well, I must say, I like Danone's products, but I mean, when I saw that this was made here in Portugal, I wanted to try it out. So shake it before you use. Remove the foil and drink it up. Yeah, I had a milk mustache. It is very thick. It's not like the thinnest yogurt out there, but I mean, I must say, it tastes really refreshing, and it's really good if you want to drink it sometime during the day, if you want it like as a digestive or something like that. It's a really nice one. I mean, I kind of miss drinking those yogurt drinks because, in my honest opinion, they're quite underrated. And I mean, this one, 9 out of 10. I don't want to be too generous about it. -1 because it's from a French company.